So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung dishwasher 3C code circulation pump motor troubleshooting. Fix 1 is reset the dishwasher. Turn off the power breaker on your home panel, then wait 5 full minutes. Turn on the breaker to reset the control board. Second fix is clear the drain filter. Open the dishwasher door, then remove the button dish rack. Twist the mesh filter counterclockwise to remove it. Then wash the filter under hot water. Check inside the exposed sump hole for debris like glass or seed. Reinstall the filter tightly. Third fix is inspect the wire connection. Disconnect the main power supply completely, then remove the lower click plate panel at the bottom front. Locate the circulation pump motor underneath. Press all plastic wire harness connectors to ensure they are tight. Look for burnt, melted or fried wires. Fourth fix is test and replace the pump. Unplug the wire harness from the circulation pump, then use a multimeter to test resistance by touching probes to the pump terminals. Replace the pump assembly if the multimeter reads 0 or infinite ohms. Thanks for watching.